If you want to get a live wallpaper on OPPO Reno 15, all you have to do is you need to find the Themes app. So let's see the themes. Let's try to find the Theme Store app. Let's open it. You might need to use an OPPO account to be able to access the Theme Store app. But once you have it, then over here at the top below the search field, we can swipe to reveal live wallpapers. And then we should be able to find many different wallpapers that we can use, I believe mostly for free. So let's try to find something that we might like the most. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And then if you like the animation, we can play it. Then we can of course use the apply button here at the bottom of the screen to download the wallpaper. And then we can choose to set it for the home screen or both home screen and lock screen, just like that. And there we go, we have a new animated wallpaper. What you can also do if you are, for example, not satisfied with the content that you can find in the Theme Store app, you can use a third-party app that allows you to get animated wallpapers. And for example, we can use the Zedge app that is pretty much suggested all over the Play Store. You can also type something like live wallpaper or video wallpaper, animated wallpaper, and so on and so forth, and you can find a bunch of different apps that allow you to probably get animated wallpapers. But let's actually try the Zedge app. However, of course, feel free to, I actually encourage you to try other apps as well in the Play Store in order to try to find your favorite one. You don't have to specifically get the same one that I did, but in this video I'm gonna show you some examples from this app. So once we have the app, we're gonna open it. The setup is really easy. We just have to press accept and continue over here. We need to accept here as well. We don't have to agree to notifications. We can close this premium offer in the upper right corner. Now here we're gonna switch to video wallpaper, and then we can try to find an animated wallpaper or live wallpaper from any of these categories that you can find in here. So let's say if I like this animation, this video wallpaper, I can use this purple button to get the wallpaper. And we have two options. You can either watch an ad in order to get the wallpaper, which then you can get for free, or you can use credits and use 10 credits for the wallpaper. And we actually get 10 credits when we install the app, so the first wallpaper is completely for free. In my case, I'm gonna actually watch the ad, and usually it takes like 30 seconds, maybe up to a minute in order to go through the ads and of course skip them afterwards. And once we go through the ads, we can just press set video wallpaper. If we see this premium offer, let's just close it. And then we can tap apply to in the bottom right, sorry, at the bottom of the screen. Once again, we can choose to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna choose for both, and then you see the apply button in the upper right corner, and there we go. Now there is a chance that if you set the wallpaper, you will have a dark or black screen. If that's the case, you can go back to the app, and then you want to choose my Zedge over here, and you should find the same wallpaper in recent activity, and you want to set it up again. Of course, this time you don't have to watch the ad anymore. So you want to try to reapply the wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.